In this lesson, I show you how to use the power-ups to be able to, for example, boost your speed. That's as you see, my speed has been increased a lot just for some seconds. Again, I use that, and then I have lots of speed. And this is my ordinary attack, but when I use a potion of increasing the damage, I can kill them, faster and a little bit more power. Set the power-up UI. This color I've selected for example, increasing the damage for example, a short period of time, and also this to increase the walking speed or running speed of the player. So now let's go to canvas, and it was in the panel toolbar here. Here. So it is BTN speed, and I give it this one, and also this one for power or damage. Maybe damage is better, and I give it this one. So we have this, and each of them has a text. It shows the number of the potions that we have. And now let's go to our prefab. And we had the health potion. I duplicate that. Oh. And change the name to speed, speed for speed, and the potion just S, because we have P already here, this potion. And change the sprite for that. We have this. And another one for the damage, D. Which I'm going to give this one. Okay, let me hide that. And let me deactivate the enemy. And also let's make a tag for this S potion. And also D potion. I make this one a speed potion and this damage potion or D potion. Now let's write the code for them. Go to player collection, something that we had for the health potion and coin, and we also need these ones for the S and damage potion. You can also make a new script, but I think that is fine. This is here. The pickup, coin sound, drinks. I use a drink sound and pickup sound for them, also which I use for the health potion, and I make two other variables. Which one is this? Int health count. Let me bring all of them here. I duplicate it and call it S and call it D. And what else do we need? So I say that if this is, if it collides to, link it here, yes, that is a potion. And also for the D potion, um, okay, the amount. What's that? Health amount. No, no, I have to bring this here. Okay. And I say this amount for that. Okay. Audio clip is pickup sound. And I just save it in the N. What to save this? And we need to write a function and say update S potion or speed potion. Um, yes. As we're not going to, you know, we're not going to buy this thing because I've made them because we wanted to trade them. As I don't want to buy them, so I don't need them, but let me correct them to bring it up. And that is the count. Just here. And text is here. Hmm. And I move that in here. And the name is this. And I'll do the same thing for for damage potion. So I also did that for this. And I need to call this function here as well. In other courses, you will use a scriptable object and inventory. But right now, as this is for the beginners, it's better that, okay, you understand these things. But in the real game, or if you want to be more professional, it's better that you use a scriptable object and inventory and then save them as binary or JSON format. But for now, that is fine. We just want to know that these potions, how they can tweak the player's stats. So let's go and write the code. Okay, we have this. For the consume potion, speed potion, then count. If the speed potion counts is 0, then it has to return. Otherwise, it will be minus minus, yes, drink. And we have the settings exactly like we have here to save the amount after we drink that. And for updating, we need the update speed portion UI. And we don't want this. By that, we want to change the speed of the player. For example, right now it is 5. Here, in the player movement, I will add two functions. But before that, I want to keep the speed. It is integer, so I say int um, original speed is just that. Just to save the value of the speed that we had before using or consuming the potion. So I need to have that here. And then, let me close them. I say public void change speed or increase the speed or any name, and int increase amount. So it could be speed equal to that amount. So for example, the speed is 5, and it multiply, for example, by 2. Now the speed would be, when it wants to move, it would be 10. I think it was here, yes. But after the potion has lost its effect after a certain amount of time, we want that the value be reset and the player returns to its original speed. So I say, I made it more public because I want to have access from this code to the player collection. So I say public void reset speed, which here the speed would be original speed. That's why I have saved that, because now a speed has been changed. So somehow I have to save the original speed